gosh, now I'm wondering, maybe the bat shouldn't be holding a bouquet of flowers. Maybe it should be something more normal, like a Halloween pumpkin? What if this idea isn't good enough?
What if we could make a new plan that's even more fun?
This plan is solid. Why change it?
Welcome to Art Lessons with the Dream Keepers. Okay, team, what is your job, Happy Thoughts?
I spread joy and motivation.
And what about you, Hard Work?
I make sure things actually get done.
And Bossy. Don't forget Bossy.
Bossy brings out the greatness.
And I bring out the sparkles.
Okay, you're both very important. We work together, and now we're going to get to the lesson. Today we're going to draw a bat with a bouquet of flowers.
Woohoo! Here we go!
Yeah!
Let's do this!
Oh boy!
Let's go! The first thing we're going to do is to sketch a light dotted line right down the middle of the page. Not on this side, not on this side, but right in the middle. Next, draw another line going across this way. Not too high, not too low, but right in the middle. Next, we're going to make a big circle right here. Make sure to leave some room at the top. The circle should be touching the line on the bottom and the line on this one side. Down here, we're going to make another circle that's a little bit smaller. It should be touching the line on the top and then also on this one side.
Do your very best. That's what matters.
Draw two straight lines connecting the circles like this. Now, erase the lines on the inside. Right on this line, halfway between the edge of the page and the big circle, make another very small circle. Then, moving across the big circle like this, make another small circle right here.
You can fix things later. Right now, just keep going.
Next, make two curved lines that connect the small circle to the bottom of the big circle, like this. This is the body of the bat. See how it's tilted this way? We're going to make another line that tilts that way. Right here, under this little circle. The line should stop right here, lined up with the bottom of the body. Draw another straight line under the other little circle. It should stop right here, lined up with the bottom of the body. Make a dot there. We're going to make two more dots that are right in between, like this. Connect all of the dots with some bumpy lines.
No stress, no pressure. Just try your best.
I like best, but does that mean we can't make it awesome?
If we believe in our hearts that we're getting closer to our dreams, then every step forward is a reason to smile.
That's really nice. I'm still going with awesome.
Draw two straight lines, here and here. Find the middle of this line, then come out here and make a dot. Do the same thing on this side. Find the middle of the line and then move out here to make your dot. From the small circle to the dot, draw a straight line. Same thing over here. Next, draw a curved line connecting these dots. On top of the head, make two dots that are sort of close to each other. Now come down a little ways on this side and make another dot, and then the same thing on the other side. We're getting ready to draw some pointy ears. Right in between here, come out and make a dot. And then from right in between here, come out and make a dot. Connect the dots with some curved lines. Then, draw another dot and make the inside of the ears like this. And let's go ahead and erase some of these extra lines. Right in the middle of the face here, we're going to make a short line. Underneath that, make a big U shape. Next, let's draw two pointy teeth. Draw two little circles for the eyes. See how each one lines up with the side of the mouth? Now it's time to draw the flower bouquet. Over here where we have some extra space, draw an oval. It doesn't have to be perfectly round. Draw two lines connecting the oval to the hand. Add some smaller circles to the oval. This is where the flowers will go. Draw a tiny circle in the middle and then a bunch of bumps around it to make a flower. Oh gosh, now I'm wondering, maybe the bat shouldn't be holding a bouquet of flowers. Maybe it should be something more normal, like a Halloween pumpkin? What if this idea isn't good enough?
What if we could make a new plan that's even more fun?
This plan is solid. Why change it?
I think the Dreamkeeper's book could help us here. Happy thoughts and hard work have started a journey to guide the little star to its home. Let's turn to the page with the bubbles. There might be surprises along the way.
Ah! What's that?
Ooh, bubbles!
And this could take you in the wrong direction. There goes Happy Thoughts, chasing the bubbles to this very fun-looking place called Distraction Attraction. Hard Work says,
Hello? Aren't you forgetting someone?
look how sad the little star is. Without Happy Thoughts here to help, we might be hearing negative thoughts. When you have doubts or worries, just think of them as silly bubbles that you can pop. Then forget about them and keep going. Focus on happy thoughts.
Oh, I do love bubbles, but I get it. Focus will help us reach the goal.
Exactly. The goal is what counts. Let's stay on track and get it done.
Let's remember to stay positive and keep going. This is going to be different and it's going to be fun. Let's draw the rest of the flowers. Trace around the edge of the oval with a bumpy line. Add some straight lines here for the stems of the bouquet. To make it look like the bat is holding onto the bouquet, draw a bump right here for the thumb. On this side, draw a thumb and 3 bumps for fingers.
See if you can focus super hard on what you're doing right now.
You're not just drawing, you're training your brain.
That's right, we're focusing on happy thoughts. Now it's time to trace the edges with marker. I'm going to put an extra sheet of paper underneath so the marker doesn't go through onto the table. To make sure those pointy teeth really stand out, I'm going to color the inside of the mouth with the marker too. And also inside the ears. This bouquet is so colorful. I'm glad we stuck with this idea. It's nice that it's different. After the marker is nice and dry, go ahead and erase all of the extra pencil lines. Then it's time to color it in.
New ideas are fun. So much to explore.
Creativity is all about trying new things. So trust your imagination and add extra things to this drawing if you'd like. Our bat looks very happy. Maybe the bat is going to a Halloween party and bringing the bouquet. And what if the bat was worried that everybody else would have regular things like candy at the party? But then when the bat gets to the party, he finds out that everybody was so happy to see something different. That would make a great story. And there we go, a bat with a bouquet of flowers.
You rock!
Excellent.
Wasn't that fun?
Best day ever!
Fun and productive. My favorite combo.
Every time you draw, you're getting better. So keep going.
Keep practicing.
And keep smiling.
To get the Dreamkeepers book or schedule an author illustrator visit to your school, check out my website, ahcreations.com.